Do you want to take off the band of your Apple Watch? Let's say you have an Apple Watch and you would love to take off the band, but you don't know how to do this. Yet, you don't want to damage or spoil your Apple Watch just because you want to take off the band. Then this video is going to show you how to take off the band of an Apple Watch. So this works on all Apple Watches. Either you have the Series 1, Series 2, Series 9, Series 10, Apple Watch SE, or whatever version you have of the Apple Watch. So if at the end of this and you're able to take off your Apple Watch band or the strap, then don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, when you want to take off or remove an Apple Watch band, you want to just turn to the back just like this, and on the back there are two buttons beneath each of the strap. Beneath the band you want to remove, there is a button that allows you to remove the band and allow you to insert the band. So this is what you need to do. Locate the button, this small button, press the fingernail tips. Once you press it, then you need to slide out the Apple Watch band. So just go ahead, press it and then slide it out. So press it, then slide it out like this. So it is easy to do. Just make sure you press it very well and then slide out like this. Then you want to repeat the same thing on the second band. Press the button very well with your nail. So just press it so that it will release the band. Then you see that, then you can now slide it out. Then you now have your Apple Watch and then the bands. You see that? So that is exactly what you need to do when you want to take off the band of an Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.